Hello friends, on this video how you can do full screen on your OPPO mobile phone. Suppose you want to use full screen then but you don't know how to do full screen. Then friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, here you have to move on setting. Then from here you can just scroll on the down, and here you have to tap on additional setting. Suppose we don't know this setting, okay, then what you can do is that here's the search setting. Here you can search for the navigation. Okay, directly search for the navigation. Then after that, here click on this navigation icon. Then from here you can see, if you want to set up the full screen, then it's very easy. Suppose here I have set it to 3 button gestures. Okay, navigation, 3 button navigation. But if you want to set this full screen navigation gestures, okay, just select the first option, swipe gesture from both side. Okay, select the first icon. Here this 3 button will be removed. Okay, and right now it's full screen gestures. Okay, you can use this full screen gestures or swipe gestures from both side, okay, on your mobile phone. But friends, you don't like this, okay, here it's teaching. If you want to click on the back, then here you can just slide like this, and if you want to click on the home screen, then you just swipe up. Okay, and friends, if you don't want to use this gestures, then you can use this virtual buttons, or you can say button navigation. Just click on the second icon and here button will be activated. Okay, it will be visible. And friends, if you want to change even the button layout, then you can change. Suppose this is the back button and you want to shift this back button into this left side. Okay, just select the second icon and from here you can see the change, okay, in this screen. So which one you are comfortable with, you can select from here, the first or the second. Okay, so friends, this is how you can set full screen gestures on your mobile phone. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.